Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your previous sessions or your previous tabs on Chrome, okay? Basically, if you're using a laptop, a Mac, a Windows, even a desktop, each one of those choices are perfectly the same process, so don't be afraid if you're using a Mac, okay? Because currently I'm using a desktop computer with a Windows OS. That being said, please open a Chrome if you're choosing. Okay, right there, and open an account. Make sure you're logged in, make sure the sync is on, okay? This one right here, make sure it's on, okay? That being said, with this one, let me just open some tabs right here just to show you what I'm talking about, okay? Give me a second right here. So currently I've just opened actually 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 tabs on my ending right here. And how can I show you guys what I'm talking about? So basically, let's just say I accidentally escape or press X. Now all of my progress is lost. That's actually a hassle, right? That's not good. So how to restore them? Basically open your Chrome once up again and choose the account you have logged in. The key here is having the same account, or the key here is having an account signed in a Chrome to make this more easier. So I have two options for you. First one is click Control, left shift, and letter T. And basically all of those tabs have been restored. Now if you don't know what I'm talking about earlier, if you don't want to use that, again, simply close everything, open it, run it back again, open this account right there, and hover your mouse on the 3 buttons on the top left, and basically just look for history. And then recently closed, under it, the most recent one is 5 tabs. And this is what I'm talking command earlier. Control plus shift plus T. If you can just click on this one, you'll have the one I did earlier. If not, just click on restore window right here. Basically the same thing, okay? That's how you restore your previous sessions and tabs on Google Chrome. So basically, I hope you had fun, and thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.